Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanity here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm doing a soft Valentine's Day look, so continue watching and I'll see you guys at the end. So I never had a chance to get my hands onto the Jackie Aina palette, and I finally got it. And guys, like I got so excited, like you don't understand. The pigmentation on this palette is amazing. First I went in with the color Edges all over my lids, and then I went with that pink shade. I can't see what the name is, but I'll put it down below. And I'm just blending all those together. And then after I blend all of those together, I go in with Credit. And Credit is like a darker like brown, and I just blend that into my lids. So those are like the three colors that I used for like blending and my lids. And the next thing I did was just put some concealer, and then I applied the color Zam on my lid. You guys, I know I'm talking way too much, but I do feel like the lighting, whatever it was, did not really show you guys the color on my lids because it was so beautiful, and I feel like the camera did not really pick it up how I wanted to pick it up, but it still came out really nice. For primer, I used the Maybelline Master Prime in 400, and I used the Juvia's Place Velvety Matte Foundation in the color Kampala. Before I blend my foundation, I go in with the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray. For contour, I used the Juvia's Place Foundation Stick. I will have the color listed in the description box below. And for concealer, I used the Juvia's Place Concealer in the number 13 and the Tarte Concealer, which I do not remember the number. Also, I'll have it in the description box below. And I also went in with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer just to like blend everything together.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
To set my concealer, I mixed the Juvia's Place powder with the Laura Mercier powder. I will have all the colors listed in the description box below. To set my contour, I used a dark brown shade from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
I went ahead and used Credit and Zam for my bottom lash line, and to bronze up my face a little bit, I used the NYX bronzer.
And on we'll go.
For blush, I used the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, and I used that very pink shade.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow
For highlight, I used the Nubian by Juvia's loose highlighter.
turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Ciao.